Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Ashley Boitsma, and today I have another hair review slash installation video for you guys. I actually received this beautiful unit. Yes, it's not my hair. I did not flat iron my hair. This is a beautiful unit I received from CurlsCurls. Honestly, I love their box. It's so cute. Anyways, I received it from CurlsCurls. They were gracious enough to send me 12-inch of their lace frontal wig called KeKe okay, and yeah, I'm loving it. So originally it was a blow dried outlook, so it was very big, like it was big, and I decided to flat iron it and just style it the way I like it, and I'm loving it. I am loving this. So let me get right into this video. You know, all the information about this hair will be in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. There's also a discount code that you can use to get this for an affordable price. I am loving it. As you can see, the lace is looking natural. How can you go wrong with this? So make sure to check that out, and let's get right into this video.